Okay, listen everyone. Now we will discuss example number 9.5. The planet Mars has two moons. Okay, here two moons is nothing but the Mars is the planet. It is consist the two natural satellites, that is Phobos and Deimos. Okay, these are revolve around the Mars. So first one, Phobos has period 7 hours 39 minutes. So the time period solvation is, so here the Phobos time period is given, a time period T equals to 7 hours and 39 minutes. Okay, it is converted in seconds. So first of all, it is converted minutes. 7 hours, 7 into 60 plus 39, that equals to 420 plus 39, that equals to 459 minutes. Okay, so the time period in seconds, time period equals to 459 into 60. Okay, it is in seconds. So then what is given? The orbital radius. The orbital radius is given. Orbital radius is 9.4 into 10 to the power of 3 kilometers. So the radius, orbital radius r equals to, that is 9.4 into 10 power 3 kilometers. It can change in SI units, that is in meters. 9.4 into 10 power 3 into 1 kilometer equals to 10 power 3, that equals to 9.4 into 10 power 6 meters. So then we can find out, calculate the mass of the Mars. So for example, we consider the mass of the Mars is mm. Okay, capital M. So then, so what is the equation for the time period? So T square equals to 4 pi square by G M. Mm is nothing but mass of the Mars. Okay, mass of the Mars into R cube. Actually R plus H cube. So here H equals 0. So then 4 pi square G mm into R cube. So from this equation we want to capital M mass mm equals to 4 pi square by G into T square into R cube. Okay, mm equals to 4 pi square G into T square into R cube. So we can substitute the values in above equation. M equals to 4. So what is pi value? 3.14 whole square. Okay, into, so what is R value? 9.4 into 10 power 6 whole cube divided by G equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 into, what is T? T value is 459 into 60 whole square. So we can calculate using calculator. So what is the value? 6.48 into 10 to the power of 23 kilograms. So this is the mass of the Mars. So by using of a natural satellite time period and the radius, orbital radius of Mars. So mm equals to 6.48 into 10 to the power of 23 kilograms. So this is first one. And second one, we can assume that Earth and Mars move in circular orbits around the Sun. Okay, Earth and Mars both are the moves in circular orbit around the Sun. So with the Martian orbit being 1.52 times of orbital radius of the Earth. Okay, we consider the orbital radius of the Earth, orbital radius of Earth Sun. Okay, it is RES. Again, so it is orbital radius of Earth, and RMS is orbital radius of Mars. Okay, so given is Martian orbit being 1.52 times of orbital radius of Earth. Okay, then RMS equals to 1.52 times of RES. So it is given information. Then, so what is the length of the Martian year in days? So here the time period Martian year is nothing but, so when the Mars is revolve around the Sun, so it is Martian year. So time period of Earth equals to 365 days. We know that 365 days, and find the Mars time period. So from Kepler's third law about law of period, so from law of periods, T square is directly proportional to the, and we have taken the orbital radius is r cube. Okay, here T m square by T e square equals to r ms cube divided by r es cube. Okay, so here whole cube, sorry, it is whole cube. So from this equation we can write Tm by Te or Tm square by Te square equals to r ms by r es power of 3, whole power of 3. Okay, from this equation here Tm by Te power of 2 equals to r ms by r es power of 3. Okay, from this equation Tm by Te equals to r ms by r es power of 3 by 2. Okay, so in this equation RMS, so here we can write directly RMS by RES equals to 1.2. Okay, RMS equals to R radius of Okay, radius of orbital radius of Mars Sun equals to 1.52 times of orbital radius of Earth Sun. So Tm by Te equals to, so Rms by Res equals to 1.52. So from this equation we can write here Tm by Te equals to, so 1.52 power of 3 by 2. Okay, so here from this equation, so here Tm, okay, T Mars, Tm equals to Te into 1.52 power of 3 by 2. Okay, so Tm equals to, what is Te value? Te value is 365 days. 365 into 1.52 power of 3 by 2. So here Tm equals to, okay, Tm equals to 684 days. So for revolving and one time, okay, the time period for the Mars revolve around Sun, so it is taken 684 days. Here we discuss example number 9.6. Weighing the Earth. You are given following data. So here the data is given data. Acceleration due to gravity on Earth's surface, that is 9.81 meter per second, and Re is nothing but the radius of the Earth. Re equals to 6.37 into 10 power 6 meters. The distance from the moon, R equals to, distance from the moon means, so it is orbital distance from center of the Earth to moon. So R equals to 3.84 into 10 power 8 meters. And the time period of the moon's revolution, okay, time period T equals to time period of the moon is 27.3 days. Okay, so these are G value 9.81 meter per second square, Re value, R value, these are in SI units but it is in days, it is converted in seconds. 27.3 days into 1 day equals to 24 hours, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So this is in seconds now. So then obtain the mass of the Earth ME in two different ways. And first method, so what is ME? From acceleration due to gravity on the Earth equation, G equals to Gm by R square. Okay, here ME RE, Earth of the radius and mass of the Earth. So from this equation we can write here ME, mass of the Earth, equals to G RE square divided by capital G. Okay, that equals to, so what is G value? It is given 9.81 into Re value is 6.37 into 10 to the power of 6 whole square divided by, so what is G value? G value is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. From this value, calculate this value is 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24. Okay, mass of the earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. Okay, mass of the earth. First method. Actually, we are taken the mass of the earth is 6.0 into 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. From this given data, mass of the earth mg equals to 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. So then another method, second method. So the time period square equals to, we know that 4 pi square by g me into r plus h whole cube. But here r plus h is nothing but r cube. Okay, the given value is the distance to the moon from the center of the earth. Okay, so for example, this is earth. Okay, earth radius is r. The moon is revolved around the earth. Okay, sorry, I'm bad diagram for this circle. So this moon is revolved around the earth. So it is RE. So it is R plus H. Actually, we have taken here R. So this is the moon is revolved around the earth. Okay, R is the distance from earth center to the moon. So then here we can find out me value, mass of the earth. Me equals to 4 pi square by g into t square r cube. We can substitute 4 into pi equals 3.14 whole square, and r equals to, so what is r? 3.84 into 10 to the power of 8 whole cube. Okay, so divided by g equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11. We know that value. And t equals to 27.3 into 24 hours and 60 minutes and 60 seconds whole square. Okay, t square. So from this above expression, calculating with using of calculator, so me equals to, the value is 6.02 into 10 power of 24 kilograms. So this is the second method. Using second method, the mass of the earth me equals to 6.02 into 10 to the power of 24 kilograms with using of law of orbits. Okay, the difference. So what is here? The first method. So we can calculate it. Me equals 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. Here me equals to 6.02 into 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. So here the difference between the second method and first method, it is only is 1% is difference. So there is no matter. So then, so what is the actual value is, we consider the earth mass of the earth is me equals to 6.02 into 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we will discuss example number 9.7. Express the constant k in days and kilometers. So given k equals 10 power minus 13 second square meter power minus 3. The moon is distance of 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5 kilometers from the earth. Obtain its time period of revolution in days. So first of all, so what is k? So we know that the expression for the time period, loss of period, okay, loss of periods, that is, solution is t square equals to 4 pi square by gm r cube. Okay, this is expression for the time period of the moon, okay, any satellite. So here 4 pi square by gm is constant, so it is k, consider k equals to 4 pi square by gm. So it is given, the value is given directly. So but is here k equals to, okay, so this is k value, k. So k equals to is given, k equals to 10 power minus 13 second square meter power minus 3. So express the constant, this constant in days and kilometers. Okay, here first of all, 1 day equals to how many seconds? 1 day equals to 24 hours and 60 minutes. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So this is 1 day equals to 24 into 60 into 60. So then 1 second equals to, from this equation, 1 second equals to 1 by 24 into 60 into 60, okay, days. 1 second equals to 1 by 24 into 60 into 60 days. Again 1 kilometer equals to 10 power 3 or 1000 meters. So then 1 meter equals to, so what is the value? 1 by 1000 kilometers. Okay, so it is the expression, the k value express, so k value is k equals to, express in days and meters, kilometers. So then 10 power minus 13 into 1 second equals to 1 by 24 into 60 into 60 power of 2, okay, into, so here one by, okay, it is 1 kilometer equals 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000. So then it is whole cube. So then it is, consider 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 whole cube kilometer cube. Okay, it is in days, day square. So it is 1 by 1000 cube kilometer cube. So calculate the above value. So it is equals to 1.33 into 10 power minus 14 day square kilometer power minus 3. Okay, so from this equation, so what is the equation is, we can find the obtained time period. Okay, time period of revolution in days. So the distance is given r equals to, the moon orbiting distance r equals to 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5 kilometers. Okay, directly time period square equals to k into, okay, replace k into r cube. So here t equals to, so what is k? K equals to 1.33 into 10 to the power of minus 14, okay, power of 1 by 2, okay, t square, t becomes, so it is 1 by 2 and into 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5 whole cube, 3 power 3 by 2, okay. So whole square, this is t square equals to k into r cube. So then t equals 1.33 into 10 to the power of minus 14 whole power of, square becomes whole power of 1 by 2, here 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5 whole power 3 by 2. So we can calculate with using a calculator. So t equals to 27.3 days. So this is the moon, okay, this is the moon time period. It is revolution, one revolution around the earth, the time taken for the one revolution, that is t equals to 27.3 days.